So you need a commercial plumber for a project, or you just need a reliable commercial maintenance plumber. Don't know where to start? Well, start by calling CPM Plumbing Maintenance and make the whole project easier for yourself. Here are 5 good reasons we should be your first call. We'll deliver on time, on budget, our professional team are experts and will provide the right advice before we start. We're certified in safety, quality and environment, and we're trusted by our clients. Our team can help with any commercial or industrial plumbing like trade waste, fire services, burst pipes or contract works, PE pipe welding and fabrication works. We have all the hydrojetter and camera equipment to look after any of your block drains. Plus, we can service or install taps, toilets, roofing, skylights, hot water units and gas plumbing. Phone us now on 9708 6880 or click the link below and send us an email. The CPM Plumbing Maintenance team won't let you down.